Today in Sámi, we don't focus a lot on the Sami genetics anymore because everyone is so mixed. But yeah, it is important to know which family you come from. So your family tree is still important so that you know what area you're from and all of that. That's not easy for everyone to do, but do your best to find that out. But what is more important than the blood percent and the genetics is the willingness and ability to actually be a Sami culture bearer. So my hope is that as many Samis as possible are willing to and wanting to carry a lot of the Sami culture. I'm hoping that in the future more of the Sami culture will be accepted. The worldview, the lifestyle, at least for every part of the Sami culture to be accepted and to be a natural part of Sámi. You know, why? Tuohon vähän niin jorkkomaailmia, kun hiljas niin tienlaakka juopna. For me, it's like a upside down world, but it's not like that. We are Sami, so we should be living a Sami life, and we should be respected and accepted for the ancient indigenous worldviews and lifestyles and way of living, all of that. We are indigenous, so we should be a part of our life still. And I'm not saying all the Samis have to do it, but the Sami people who want to do it should be able to do it. Yeah, that's what I hope for the future.